Welcome! If you want to control who can reply to your posts on X, formerly Twitter, using your PC, you're in the right place. Today I'll walk you through the latest update that lets you make your following the only people who can reply to your post. This is a great way to keep your conversations focused and more personal. Let's get started. First, open your preferred web browser and head over to the X website. Make sure you're logged into your account. On the left side of your screen, you'll see the main menu. Click on the button labeled Post. This will open up the Compose window, where you can start creating your new post. Now, type out your message. Whether you want to share a thought, an announcement, or even a photo or video, this is your space to express yourself. If you want to add media, just click the media icons below the text box and upload your images or videos. Here's the important part. Right below your post, you'll see an option that says, Who can reply? Click on it. A menu will pop up with several choices. Select accounts you follow. This setting ensures that only the people you follow can reply to your post, giving you more control over your interactions and keeping unwanted replies at bay. Once you've finished composing your post and set your reply preferences, double-check everything to make sure it looks just right. When you're ready, click the Post button. Your post will go live, and only the accounts you follow will be able to reply. Everyone else will see your post, but they won't have the option to respond directly. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you can share your thoughts while making sure your replies come only from people you trust and follow. This new update makes managing your conversations on X easier and more secure. Thanks for tuning in. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to check out more tips to get the most out of your X experience.